deep with the icy embrace of the northern mountains, a young snow leopard cub named Luna prowled through the kicked forest, her silver fur shimmered under the faint glow of the moon, and her embedded green eye gleamed with unframed curiosity. Luna had always been drawn to the mysteries of the land, but of the particular night, the whisper of the wind carried a secret only she could uncover. She paddled softly through the snow, following the faint glow that danced between the frozen trees. Soon she arrived at the heart of the forest, where an ancient oak stood alone, its bark laced with thread of silver light. Nested within its root lay crystal plunging with warmth, untouched by the beating cloud. As Luna approached, the crystal responded, flaring to life with a radiant glow. You have been chosen, a voice murmured, carried by the wind. The guardian of winter must awaken. Luna blinked in a way she had always dreamed from adventures, but never had she imagined herself as the protector of the land. She felt the energy of the crystal seep into the pause, following through her like a river of straight light. The trees whispered her name, the snow fox thrilled in the celebration. Luna had become the keeper of the forest zone. If you like the story, please hit like and subscribe to Avantika.